Welcome to Glass Carvings on Bottles. I am your host, Jay. Some of you probably recognize me from the Blue Garden, but I also do glass carving, as you see here. Now, glass carving is taking air and silicone carbide sand and carving into the glass. As you see here in these bottles, you can get really fancy with your design. Now, you're not limited to just glass. You can also do ceramic and even wood and even harder stuff like rock or stones, even some granite. So sit back and see how we do it. Okay, once we get our design from our customer, we print it out, make our template, and then once we've done that, we want to get our bottle prepped. And then just you can see here, I'm removing the label. Now, you do not remove the rear label, which I'll show you a little bit later, but you want to remove the front label and replace it with our glass carving. So you can see the techniques here, how to remove the label. Once you get good at it, it doesn't take that long. And you can see here how the blade keeps on sliding. That's just because it's been used so many times, and later on I do get a new one and a better one. Alright. Now you can see here how the rear label has not been damaged and has been taped. Now we're going to get ready to sandblast the bottle. And you can see here, it takes a little skill to hold the nozzle at the right distance and make sure you're blasting straight on. You're not blasting at an angle. And it just takes a little practice to get good at it. But you can see here, you want to remove the glass evenly all the way across so it gives you a nice finished surface. And you should never rush the job. Just take your time and make sure everything comes out nice and level and flat, all the same thickness. That's the key. Thickness. Now, once you finish sandblasting, you want to clean it up and get it ready for painting. As you see here, you can even check it under a magnifying glass, looking for any kind of defects in detail. And once you have that approved, then the fun part comes where you get to remove the tape and play your favorite music. Let's enjoy this part. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on glass carvings. I would appreciate it if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, please subscribe. I need subscribers. And if you want to see more of glass carvings, please let me know in the comments, and I'll do more glass carvings instead of the Blue Garden. So please voice your opinion let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more. And please subscribe. Alright, enjoy the ending credits.